Hello and good morning. If you have not already taken Chapter 10 test, make sure you do so you don't get a zero. All right, so let's take a look here. This one right here, the whole circle is 360. So if this arc right here is x, then this one from here to here would be 360 minus x. And the formula is the vertex is on the outside, and since it's on the outside, the angle, which is 100 degrees, is equal to half of the big arc, which is 360 minus x, minus the little arc, which is x. And there's the setup right there. I would go ahead and just multiply by 2 and get rid of this 2 right here. So I'm going to get 200 is equal to 360 minus 2x. And then at this point, I would subtract 360. And when I do that, I get 160 is equal to negative 2x. I would divide by negative 2. And by the way, this one should have been a negative because you had more negatives. And when you do that, you're going to get a positive 80. And so that's the answer there. X is equal to 80 degrees. And to get this one, you would just subtract, and you're done. This one right here is a tangent. The formula is tangent squared is equal to the outside piece times the whole thing, which is 2 plus x. You're going to distribute and get 4 plus 2x. And this is 100, 10 times 10. So you're going to subtract 4 and get 96, and then divide by 2, and then you get x. Okay, so half of 96, I think, is 48. And that's it. You're done. And that's how you do it. And again, make sure you take the test. All right, let's keep moving. Today, you're going to have a worksheet called Faces and Edges. Okay, this one right here is a cone. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's a pentagonal prism, just so you know. These are called edges. Like if you're shaving, that's the edge of a razor blade. The face would be the flat parts. Those are the faces. And the vertices are the dots right here. So you could just count them right here. But there's a formula. The formula is, and this is how you're going to memorize the formula. Florida Virtual School is easy too. Okay, so write that down. Florida Virtual School is easy too. All right, so here you're going to count the faces. Well, there's one on the bottom, that's 2, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces, so that's going to be 12 faces. The edges, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up there, 5 down there, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 faces. And the vertices are the little dots, so there's 5 up there, 5 down there, you're going to get 10. And let's just check it with the formula. So faces plus vertices is equal to edges plus 2. And if you do that, let's see what we have. Faces plus edges. Okay, so this should have been 12 plus 15 is equal to vertices. All right, let me back up. Faces plus vertices. So the faces plus the vertices, that's going to be 22. It doesn't seem like this is quite working out. So what we need to do is try to add this up. This one has, just so you know, you're going to have 0, no edges here because it's circular. There's no edges. And there's no, well, there is one dot right there. All right, so let me look at this a second. Let me think a minute. Let's count again, the faces. The top and the bottom, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 faces. So this should have been 7. Okay, so to correct this one, we're going to say faces plus vertices is equal to edges plus 2. And that does work out. See, 17 is equal to 17. So that formula has to work. So when you count them today, I want you to go ahead and write the formula as well, just to make sure it works out. All right? And then aside from that, you're doing page 484 in the book. And if you get stuck, ask for help. Let's turn our attention now to MCR. Question says, what does 25% off mean? Well, 25% off means that you save 25 cents. So if you take $1, you save 25 cents, and you pay 75 cents. So you're saving a quarter on every dollar. All right? This one right here, as a fraction, it's out of 100. Percents are out of 100. So it's 25 out of 100, and then you got to reduce it. It's 1/4 of a dollar, which is a quarter. This right here says write it as a decimal. Well, 25 over 100, if you take your calculator, it equals 1/4, which is 0.25. Okay? And then finally, if you pay 25%, or if you save 25%, how much do you pay? You pay 75 cents. We already answered that one. Today you have a worksheet, and the front side is going to be called side A. And this is what we're doing today. And we'll work some of these, and I'll get you started on your work. The back side is going to be side B. All right, I hope everything is clear. Have a good morning, and I'll see you in class. Good day.